Electric cars are everywhere, no longer a niche, but the new mainstream. Just a few years ago, spotting an electric vehicle on the road was a rare event, something that would turn heads. Now, they're a common sight in cities and suburbs alike, quietly gliding past traffic jams and lining up at charging stations. The world is changing and electric cars are leading the charge. For over a century, we've loved the roar and romance of petrol engines, but times are changing fast. The nostalgia for classic cars is still strong, but the reality is that our roads are evolving. The familiar growl of an engine is being replaced by the near-silent hum of electric motors, and for many, that's a welcome change. Concerns about air quality, climate change, and rising fuel prices are pushing us to rethink how we get around. Cities are choking on smog, and families are feeling the pinch at the pump. The environmental impact of traditional vehicles is impossible to ignore, and people everywhere are searching for cleaner, more affordable alternatives. Plugging in your car at night, waking up to a full tank, that's a game changer. No more early morning stops at the gas station. No more worrying about fluctuating fuel prices. Charging at home is convenient, and for many, it's the first taste of a future where mobility is simpler and smarter. EVs promise cleaner air, lower running costs, and a surprisingly fun drive. The instant torque of electric motors means acceleration is quick and smooth, making every trip enjoyable. Families are discovering that electric cars aren't just practical, they're also exciting to drive. With technology that makes every journey easier, governments are pushing for cleaner transport, battery tech is improving, and car makers are investing billions. Incentives and policies are making EVs more accessible, while engineers are working tirelessly to extend range and reduce charging times. The automotive industry is undergoing its biggest transformation in decades, with innovation at every turn. The age of the electric vehicle is here, and it's not just about a new engine, it's a new way of thinking about mobility. Cities are adapting, adding charging infrastructure and integrating electric options into public transport. People are reimagining how they move, combining EVs with bikes, scooters, and shared rides for a cleaner, more connected future. You see EVs everywhere now, from silent sports cars to family SUVs that never visit a petrol station. The variety is staggering, with models to suit every lifestyle and budget. Whether you want speed, space, or sustainability, there's an electric vehicle for you.